and welcome.
Hello and welcome to another video. Today's feature, Thrift Store haul!
We went to the DAV. It's better than Goodwill.
We all know the DAV is the best thrift store because it is the cheapest.
True.
And
Cheaper than Goodwill.
I have had a long dream of going to the Goodwill. And my girlfriend Allison said, that's too expensive, we're going to the DAV.
True. Last night there was a commercial for, what was it? Israel.
Tel Aviv, Israel. Mm-hmm.
She goes, you know where I want to go? Goodwill. And I said, you know what's even better than Goodwill? The DAV.
She wasn't lying either. And so we went to
True.
the DAV and they proved themselves. And we also proved ourselves as true treasure hunters.
True. I spent $58 and some change and got lots of name brands.
I only spent $25, y'all.
Holla.
Mm-hmm.
So now we're going to show you what we got and drink wine at the same time. So, best of both worlds. I'll go first since it's sitting right here. Got this lovely flannel. Brand new.
New with tags.
NWT. New with tags.
NWT.
OBO. Originally priced at $70, $69.95 I think it was. I ripped the tags off because I washed everything already. Little flannel.
It's Vans.
Yes. It's got a little tag that says Cali on it. Oh my god.
Let me just say that the cashier was looking to swoop on this.
Yes, she said, I wish I found that. And then it's got little Vans tag.
It kind of looks like it's made out of denim. It's pretty cool.
Yeah. And it's very warm. Fine.
I just saw a
it
flash
has a
of
cool
orange.
design.
Ooh.
There's a little design at the bottom.
Vans just thinks of everything.
Yep. Anyways, okay.
Oh.
Here we go. We'll alternate.
I'll go with something I got a little bit similar to that. This is name brand, everybody. This is from J. Crew.
Whoop whoop.
It's a nice like men's little Henley type knit. Actually it's not knit, but the title says knit goods. So it's gonna be really cozy. I really like it.
It'll be good for lounging and with shorts.
Yeah.
Hanging out.
I really like the menswear style. When you just like get a little peek, you put a nice little necklace in there, and you're good to go.
I like all the men's clothes.
Yeah.
Better than the women's. Speaking
Yeah,
of
we spent a
men's,
long time in men's clothes.
We'll go with the men's top since it's on the top. I got Miles, the boyfriend, a cool little t-shirt. Hi, Miles. A Ballast Point t-shirt, which is like the local beer craft beer, whatever.
This one's so sick. It was only $1.50.
Yeah. It's got a cool like design on the back.
I'm pretty sure when you buy that at the brewery, it's like at least $25.
Yeah, and it looks new, honestly.
Yeah, it's very good condition.
There's like no
Very
wear
cool,
or anything.
Pirate design.
Yeah, so that was $1.50 score. Don't mind if we do.
Next thing that I got is reminiscent of school uniform days. I got a skirt. Well, fly's already down. That reminds me of the uniform days too. Anyway, I got this. I thought it was a skirt, and it turns out that it is a skirt.
Score.
So I'm going with that fall time, like back to school vibe. I'm gonna give this a little crop, make it a little bit more scandy with a little bit of tights, a little sweater. Stay tuned.
Brandy.
Stay tuned for my styling video.
Okay, next I got a little
Cute.
sweater.
This would look
Sweater
cute with the
tank
skirt,
top.
actually.
I know, I was thinking like with my jean skirt or something, like
Yeah.
tucked in with some like knee-high
So
boots.
H&M?
Yeah. It's an H&M sweater
Oh, my
tank.
skirt was from Land's End, by the way. Special order.
All about those brands.
Mm-hmm.
This was $2.95, and it's like ribbed, and it has a cute little like design or like line.
It's got
What do you call
some
that?
like extra ribbing to really
Yeah.
contour the abs.
I like it. It's really warm. I tried it on and I was already sweating.
I'm
A
so
little
turtleneck.
turtleneck. But yeah, it's perfect for fall, and then you can also like layer it with a cute cardigan or put it with a skirt and tights and
That'll be like with a skirt and tight and little boots will be so
Yeah.
cute. Oh my gosh.
agreed.
Speaking of skirt, I got another skirt.
Coming in.
Hello! I thought this one was so cute with a little multicolored paisley. Again, the fly is down. Oh, and it is also a skirt. So we're keeping it classy in my new wardrobe, and I'm gonna crop this one too, and it's so cute. I'm so excited for my new skirt vibe with like
I like it.
some tights and like a long sleeve like black scoop
You
neck.
can even like wear it with like a crop top, like a crop tank,
A
and
little
like wear it
crop
out,
top.
make it scandy.
It's very cute. It's like a way of being scandalous, but also you look very proper, you know?
And you won't have any slips with the skirt.
The skirt is coming in clutch because we all know that is one of my top problems.
Hashtag whiteout.
Hashtag whiteout.
These, we'll go with these pants next.
Yeah, they're really cute.
Yeah, scored these. Let me button them, give you the full effect. They
Valerie Stevens.
Petite Valerie Stevens. I've never heard of Valerie Stevens before, to be
Me either.
honest. But
It's so cute.
they're a pair of yellow pants. They look really big in the camera.
Little drawstring.
And they're like
pants.
flowy.
I love this
Super
little
cute.
pleat. Again, it's like a little bit preppy, but
Yeah.
still like flowy and adorable.
And then it's elastic in the back, so it's super comfortable and not like, I don't know.
How would you style this one, Allison? Crop
I would
top?
style this with a crop top. Leave that little space of like midriff in the middle.
Maybe
Because
like a
these
little-
go up high, like right to my belly button.
Yeah, maybe like a lace crop top.
Yeah, that'd be super cute.
Mm.
So good. These were $3.95, I think. So.
Dynamite.
Don't mind if I do.
All right, the next one I got is somewhat similar because it has a drawstring waist. My mom described these as clam diggers. They're by Jones, New York.
Clam diggers.
And they are like khaki capris, but I got these so I can cut them into shorts, and I'm going with like a safari Jungle Jane type look. And they're really cute because they have this little drawstring waistband, and then you just like cut them into a little shorts with like army green.
That'd be cute.
I'm into it.
Super cute.
They're very flattering, actually. I almost kind of don't mind them as capris if I was like that stylish, which I'm not. So
Mom vibe.
I'm going with mom vibe. Coming in hot.
I like this dress. It turned out super cute, and I thought the lace was in the front, but it's actually in the back.
Oh.
Because I thought this was like supposed to be in the front.
I thought so too.
So there's like a lace detail, like it laces up like this, but then the tag was there. And I was like, oh, it makes sense. So this is the back.
Oh, cute.
It's lace, and then the sleeves are flowy. So it technically, because then the little things were in the back too. So it's like this. It's a little dress, and it's flowy, and it's cute, and it's laces in the back. And this was new with tags as well. The tag was still on it, and this was $8.95, which
Put
wasn't
on a
bad.
little cowboy boots.
Yeah, so cute. You
Or
can
like
wear
a little hat.
You can wear this just as is, like with boots or heels or sandals, whatever. And then you can also, it's short enough where you can wear leggings underneath it too.
Seasonally diverse.
Yes.
I love that.
I like it.
Well, I have something that's not seasonally diverse. It's seasonally exclusive, and that is
What a good segue.
this little treasure, which may or may not be a children's size upon reflection. It's very small.
Oh my god. I can see that.
But it's like so cute. It's like a powder blue turtleneck with little white snowflakes. I thought this would be so cute with like a black high-waisted skirt, maybe some tights. Again, I'm clearly getting into that season.
I love that.
Just like a cute little holiday. I think it'd be so cute.
I agree. I love a good skirt with the tight and the high boots.
I really love a skirt
So
with
cute.
tights, a little turtleneck. Honestly, turtleneck I don't usually like, but in the outfit that I pictured, it was really adorable. And I just think that the snowflakes are really cute.
Yeah, I don't really go for turtlenecks either, but this sweater. Okay, I have lots of jeans to get into.
This woman had an amazing jean haul.
True.
She was scavenging those racks.
Okay, first pair, Lucky Brand jeans. I'm gonna keep these as is. Most of the jeans I bought I'm gonna cut into shorts, but these are the only pair that I'm gonna keep as is. They fit really good. They're just a straight leg jean. Nothing really special about them, I guess. They're just a pair of jeans, but I guess the fact that they're Lucky Brand is special.
I love Lucky Brand jeans.
I think these were $5.95, to be honest. Sounds
That's
about right.
dynamite.
I know, right? They look, I mean, there's literally nothing wrong with
They're
them.
really cute.
There's like nothing wrong, so score.
Those are like perfect essential jeans. I picture that with like a chunky knit sweater.
Yeah,
or
because they're not like
actually anything.
They're not super high, and they're like really stretchy too, and so they're super comfortable and like not bad. I like. Next pair of jeans, I'm gonna turn into shorts. I scored with the Levi's today. They were all
She had Levi eye.
They were like $4.95 too. It was crazy. So these are a pair of Levi's. Super cute. These are a boot cut, but obviously it's not gonna matter.
R.I.P. boot cut, honestly.
But they fit really well, even if I wanted to keep them as a boot cut. But they're gonna be a cute pair of like high-waisted, darker high-waisted.
Are they high-waisted?
Shorts. They are. I mean, kind
like
of
mid-rise.
Yeah, they like go up to my like belly button, so they're not like super high-waisted, but enough.
Perfect.
Either way, want them as shorts.
We really gambled on all these things. We didn't try anything on before we bought it, so this was a real.
We eyeballed.
We really got lucky that the pants all fit.
Agreed. And then I got another pair of Levi's. They're similar wash, but I like these ones because the pockets were different. They have a little like
little flat pocket.
Little
cute.
flap. Yeah. These are straight leg, but still.
Those are probably cute to keep as is.
Yeah, they didn't look bad on.
Yeah, this is actually really good material for shorts.
But yeah, I just want to keep them as shorts because I already have a good amount of jeans. So, never go wrong with shorts. It's so hot here all the time.
For real.
God. And then we'll go one more pair of leggings and then you can go. Or, I mean, jeans. And then I got a black pair of Levi's. Levi.
The Levi's unicorn. I swear I can never find black Levi's
And
anywhere.
these were all $4.95 and one was $5.95. I forgot which one. But either
amazing.
way, another pair. I'm not sure. These are the only ones that didn't fit me, so I'm not sure if they're high-waisted or not because I couldn't fit them over my big butt. But I'm gonna cut them into shorts and use them as my goal shorts. Goal shorts. They're a mid-rise skinny, so that's probably why I couldn't fit them. Maybe they'll fit over my butt when they're in shorts because I couldn't fit my thighs in there.
I have that problem a lot. And I'm like, well, then the thighs must go.
Yeah.
Off the pants, not off me.
Also off me. Lucky.
Allison swooped all the pants, so I only found one pair of jeans. No, I'm just kidding.
Sorry.
I found these in the men's department. Never reject the men's department, even for pants, okay? Because I'm pretty sure that these are ladies, because I can't imagine a man having this shape of body. But anyway, they are not name brand. They are no brand, but they're just some like high rise. I really love the wash. It's like a nice, like true blue denim. I always am looking for like a nice, classic, real blue.
Yeah.
And they have this nice, like big shred right here, which may or may not have been intentional. I'm hoping that it was not intentional because
doesn't look.
Kind of looks like someone got truly clawed. But my intention was to cut these into shorts, but I actually really like them as pants. It's giving me a major mom vibe, and they're kind of just like a straight leg. It's kind of like a pretty wide straight leg, but with this rip in there and stuff, I put them on with a belt and it actually looked really cute. So I think I'm going to give them a season as pants, and then if I don't like them anymore when it comes to summer, I will convert them into shorts.
I want to know what brand they are. What does the button say?
Legendary Gold. Me.
Me. A rare find.
They got these big pockets too. It makes my booty look pretty good.
Okay, next is I got these pants. I have a ton of these in like patterns, but I don't have a plain black.
Funky pants, as
I call them. They just have like a super wide leg, and they're stretchy. They're almost like leggings, but they make your butt look super good, big. These were only $1.95. You should try them on. They fit. They're so comfortable.
I'll be happy to try them on.
What
brand are these? Where do these come from?
I don't know, but I used to get.
Where do these hail? Promesa.
Yeah, I don't know.
Promesa.
I don't know, but I literally would get these in every single size at Nordstrom because they all fit me exactly the same, like small, medium, and large.
Condition.
I know. There's literally nothing wrong with them. So I swooped because I love these and I can't find these anymore.
Do you wear these in public?
Yeah. Wear these with like a flowy top.
Oh, girl.
Or like a crop top.
You're vibing.
One more. Last thing. Last score. Yoga pants. Nike.
Nike.
These were $5.95.
Sponsor me.
Sponsor me, Nike. Nike. They fit really well. Also in like honestly pristine condition.
Yeah, you know how like yoga pants can get pretty whack.
A few little like just like one little tear, or not even a tear, just like a
missed stitch. It's probably always been like that.
But
that's probably why this person got rid of these.
There's literally nothing wrong with them. Like this is just from the tag still.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much for watching.
Yes.
Stay tuned for our next.
Subscribe, like,
Make sure you hit
comment.
that subscribe and hit the little bell so you get notified every time we post a new video. We're going thrift shopping tomorrow, so you know
Yes.
there's more content coming very, very soon.
Stay tuned. Bye.
Bye.